Joining me tonight on that, Nirmala Sitharaman of the BJP. I'm also joined by Nafisa Ali, activist who's now rejoined the Congress. Also Shahid Siddiqui, formerly the Samajwadi Party, now editor, and always of course editor of the Nayi Dunya. Thank you very much for joining me. Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, the worst kind of hate speech here. Yet, no action taken against this MLA and elected representative. His speech is still on YouTube. Why do you think the government hasn't acted against him?
Your audio is very poor. I'm not able to hear you. Would you repeat the last bit of your question again?
Ms. Sitharaman, I asked, why do you think the state government, the state police have taken no action against Asaduddin Owaisi yet, Akbaruddin Owaisi, sorry. In fact, he's currently in London for medical treatment.
Well, I'm not surprised. Congress Party's alliance partner, MIM, was till very recently. They have now chosen to probably, leave the alliance and go in favor of some other party. But the fact remains that in Andhra Pradesh, there have been several instances of MIM legislators really not following the law of the land. During curfew, they've broken into a police station with their followers midnight and tried to, release people who have been arrested. And even on such an occasion, there has not been any cases registered against the legislator. In Hyderabad, those of us who live in that town know that, there are some people above law in the city, and the government has not got any, courage to take action. And more so because they were alliance partners. It's clearly an absence, not just the case of MIM, Congress, or, in Andhra Pradesh. There are several instances in UP. I'm sure the other panelist, who's an eminent politician, would also be able to speak about it.
Mr. Siddiqui, come in here, because I think that
when firm action is not taken timely, leading to a lot of mistrust and ill will among communities.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.